Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's CCN Switch Lab, we're diving into chapter 3 covering EtherChannel configuration and load balancing using both PAgP and LACP. Whether you're preparing for your exam or reinforcing your skill, this lab is an essential step. Let's get started. Here's the topology we'll be working with. We have two distribution layer switches DLS1 and DLS2 and two access layer switches ALS1 and ALS2. All switch-to-switch links are trunk using 802.1q. First, we'll configure the Ether channel between ALS1 and ALS2 using Cisco Port Aggregation Protocol PAgP. So I open the ALS1, enable, go to configure mode, interface range FA 0, 11 to 12, shut down, channel group 1, mode desirable, no shutdown. Remember to shut the interface before starting to avoid misconfiguration errors. Once done, do the same on ALS2 using the same interface number and port channel. And now you can see the all switches between ALS1 and ALS2 has a PAgP Ether channel on port channel 1, and we verified this with the show Ether channel summary. Now we want to creating Ether channel with LACP. Let's configure Ether channel between DLS1 and ALS1 using LACP, the open IEEE standard. So I open the DLS1, enable configure interface range faster 0 to 7 to 8, channel group 2, mode active. Now I open the ALS1, interface range FA 0/7 to 8, channel group mode active. Both ends are in active mode, meaning they actively negotiate the LACP link. And now you'll see port channel 2 is up and bundled. You can verify with a show Ether channel summary. And as you can see, they can negotiate in port channel 2 and they bundle. Now let's talk about how traffic is distributed across Ether channel links. By default, Catalyst style switches use the source MAC address. Let's type this command, show Ether channel load balance. Let's change that on ALS1 and ALS2 to use source and distribution IP, which gives a better distribution in most network. Let's open ALS2 and I type port channel load balance src-dst-ip and we do a test Ether channel load balance interface PO1 IP 10.199.103 to 10.199.104. In Packet Tracer, the test EtherChannel load balance command isn't available. This command only works on the real switches or full-feature virtual labs like GNS3 or Cisco VIRL. But we can still verify load balance indirectly by observing port channel behavior. This test shows which interface would carry the traffic based on the IP pair. And that's it. We configured PAgP and LACP EtherChannel Explorer to adjust load balancing for performance optimization. If this walking through helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more CCNP labs and network engineering contexts. Got a question or stuck in your lab? Drop a comment below. I respond to everyone.